Hello friends, I'm Lakshmi Kumar Das. Once again, welcome back to our YouTube channel Shadow Bytes. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the updated version of our existing project face recognition with attendance monitoring system using Python. Here, in this updated version, I have not only changed the UI but also have added some features which you can see on my background. That is, here you can see I have added the email sending features. That is, if you type the email of the recipient here and just select their email domain, I mean gmail.com or yahoo.com or anything else, and just click on send attendance, your attendance will be sent to the recipient's email ID. Also, I have added features like delete attendance CSV, delete registered images, and delete registration CSV. There is CSV files of the attendance and CSV file of the registration. Also, the registered images can be deleted directly from the UI. You don't need to do it by deleting it from backend. You can directly delete it from the UI itself. That's the features I have added, and in this video I am not only going to demonstrate this new version of the code, but I will also show you how to use all of these features, mainly how to use your email ID, or better to say how to use your Gmail ID and send your attendance to someone whose attendance will be written here, and just click on send attendance, your attendance will be sent. Okay, so without any further delay, let's begin. So friends, at first you have to download the zip file of the code. Link to download the zip file of the code will be given in the description below. By the way, I have also made a short video regarding how to add your email ID, better to say your Gmail ID, to this code, but that was a short video. I made it in a rush, so many of you may not have understand it properly. That's why I'm making this video. And in this video, I'm not only going to show you the email sending feature, I'm going to show you each and every features that I have added here. So anyways, first you have to download the code. Link to download the code will be given in the description below, from where you can download it. I mean the zip file of the code. This is the zip file. I have downloaded it in the desktop. Now just extract it. Click on extract all. Click on extract, and it's extracted, as you can see. Okay, so okay, now use ideally Python 3.10 or 11, 3.11 or 3.12, but whatever ideally Python you want to use, you have to have only one ideally Python, and don't install multiple ideally Pythons. I mean more than one ideally Pythons, because it create a conflicts in the system between the various versions. It take one ideally Python as a primary version, as a primary software, and rest they keep as secondary, and that's why the code will run only in the primary version. And to avoid all those confusions, I would recommend you to download only one ideally Python. And regarding the module installation, well, you don't need to install any extra modules for that. All the modules that you have installed in during my previous video, or better to say in my previous project, that modules are enough for everything which you will see in this video. So I'm not showing you how to install all those modules, because I have already if you want to see how to install all those modules, then you can check out my first video of this channel, or better to say third video overall of this channel, where I have made face recognition and address monitoring system using Python project in Windows 11 tutorial. There I have shown you that how to install all the modules. Module installation is very easy. That's not a big thing, because I have already shown there. Still, if you have any problems on installing modules, you can feel free to contact me, just like you have contacted me previously. So anyways, now I am going to open this code. Click on open, and I am saying you one thing repeatedly: don't use multiple ideally Python. I mean, don't install multiple ideally versions in your system, because many of you earlier have contacted me that I have that code is not working, and when I have asked that, many of you have said that I have more than one versions of Python. While asking the question twice or thrice, you have said, and that's the reason the confusion occurs. and that's why I recommend you that don't use multiple ideally pythons on multiple versions of ideally python on your system. And second important thing is you download the ideally python from Microsoft Store only instead of downloading it from its official website, because stores ideally python, Microsoft Stores ideally python has better compatibility. Sometimes if you download it from the official site of the ideally official site, then there might be some compatibility issues which can occur, but those compatibility issues will not occur if you download it from this Microsoft Windows Store. So that's why I recommend, if you are running it on Windows, then it's better you should use the version that is available on Windows Store. Starting from you can install any version, ideally Python 3.10 or 3.11 or 3.12. But remember one thing very carefully, I am saying this repeatedly because it's very important. That's why I am saying it repeatedly. Use only one ideally Python version. Don't use multiple. Okay, I've said enough. Now it's time to show you the main thing. So in my case, I'm using ideally Python 3.10. Okay, so click on, I have opened it in desktop. So this is the file. Okay, this is the code. Now before start running the code, we have to you have to add your email address here. Now for that, just click on control. Oh, by the way, maximize it. Yeah, now just click on Control F, and here you need to type your mail and then just click on enter. Yes, you can close the search dialog. Here you need to type your email and your password, mail password. By the way, this mail password is not the regular mail password that you use to log in into your email. This will be app password. How to add the password, that only I'm going to show you. Watch it very carefully, because doing small mistakes will not let you send your mail to someone whom you want to send. Okay, so for adding your email ID, just open Chrome or any browser, go to your Google account. For my case, I'm going to my Shadowbytes email ID. Now here just copy your mail ID to your mail here, this thing. Oh, okay, no problem, I did a small mistake. Okay, now it's time to add the password. How to add the password? So after going to your account on Chrome or any browser, just click on manage your Google account here. By the way, I have forgot to say one of the most important thing, that is for using the app password, you must have to enable two-step verification on your Google account, because without enabling two-step verification on your Google account, you can't use the app password feature. After enabling two-step verification, you can use it. So if you haven't enabled two-step verification, then please enable it right now and then continue. It will come. Now just type app, then only it will come. Here you click on this app password, as you can see. Now here you need to create app name. You can write any app name for now. You can write anything. For now I'm writing ABC and just creating it. Okay, now this is the password that you need to paste on your code. Remember it very carefully. This password is necessary. Just copy it, Control C copy, or better to do this thing also. Copy it and paste it here. Okay, now just save the code. You can click on Control S or just save. Simple. Now everything is done. Now you can close your this thing. Okay, now you have successfully added your email ID to your code, so that from where you are going to send your attendance, or better to say, you have successfully added your Gmail ID to your code. Other domain email ID, I don't know how to do. If I know, then I will make a separate video for it. But for this video, I am showing it using Gmail only, because Gmail is the most commonly used IDs by each and everyone. So this is how you can add your Gmail ID to the code, so that you can send your attendance from your email ID, or better to say your Gmail ID, to someone whom you want to send. Okay, now it's time to run the code. Press F5. I've already pressed, by the way. Okay, press F5. Okay, the code is opening. It will show warning, but don't worry, the code will run absolutely fine. Okay, so by the way, I have forgot to say you one thing at the beginning. I have also updated the timing to 12-hour format instead of 24-hour format, which you have seen in the earlier code, and you can see the redesign, the beautiful looking UI background here. Instead of single color, I have added an image. Anyways, now it's time to take the attendance. Sorry, not take the attendance, register myself. Registration is simple, just like I've shown in the previous video. Enter your ID, whatever ID you like, but I am typing 1. Then enter your name, click on take images. It will take some time, but don't worry, it will open. Depending on your laptop or PC specs, it will take some time. Okay, it has opened. As you can see, it's registering my face, which is as simple as that. Okay, it will take 101 images and it will stop. Okay, click on save profile. Now here you need to type the password. By the way, I have also made a separate code where you don't need to type the password, but for now you have to type the password in this video code. If you want that code, that also I can send you. Just you have to send me a message on WhatsApp and there can easily send it to you. Anyways, now yes, the password is SMAGIX, magix, everything in small letter. Then press enter and see. Profile is saved successfully. Now click on check attendance, which is as simple as like the previous video, third video of this channel. It will lag a little bit, but it will work absolutely fine, don't worry. The camera is opened, but it's taking attendance in background. Yes, as you can see that attendance is taking, and you can see the or under my face my name is displayed, so that means attendance is taken successfully. So yeah, this is it. I mean, not the complete thing. I'm going to show you each and everything step by step. Press on Q to stop taking the attendance. Okay, attendance is taken successfully. Now let me show you the Excel sheet where the attendance is stored. Okay, attendance is stored in here, I think. Okay, here the attendance is stored this in this CSV file. Student details is here. Training image, this is all the images trained. Okay, now let's add a email address. Let's add my first YouTube channel's email address. SMARTECH MAGIX, and you can see the sender's email address. Sorry, the recipient email address domain can be anything. Just select among any of these three. By the way, I could have added some more domains as well, but I haven't added till now because what I feel that Gmail is the most commonly used, and then followed by Yahoo and Hotmail. That's why I haven't added, but if you want, you can add some more domains by doing some changes in the code that I will show you later in this video. But for now, I will be selecting Gmail because I haven't used any other email IDs till now. Okay, so click. By the way, let's take some more attendance. It will look better. Okay, camera is opened already. It's taking images in the background. It's not opening in the front. Why, I don't know. Okay, let me show you the Excel sheet first of the attendance CSV file. Time, date, and everything. Okay, so this is the Excel sheet, as you can see, and this is the time of taking the attendance. First is 9:18 p.m., then 9:21 p.m., etc., etc. Okay, now as we have entered the email address, you don't need to type the domain while typing your email address. Just type the email address without typing @ as well as domain. Domain, you need to select it from here, just like I've shown you, and @ is already here, which you can see. Now after typing the recipient's email without typing its domain and @ you just type like this, then click on send attendance. It will take some time. Now see, the attendance report sent successfully, means successfully we have sent the attendance to another email ID. Okay, let's check it directly from my SMARTECH MAGIX email address. Okay, let's open the Gmail. Tons of Gmails. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it's today's attendance report. As you can see, email is successfully sent, and this is the attendance record that is sent here. As you can see, this is it. So this is how you can send your attendance to someone whom you want to send. Let's try with some different email IDs as well. Let's try with my main email ID. Okay, now click on send attendance, and boom, it's sent here also. Let's check it. Okay, open browser, let's check it. If so, yeah. Okay, and by the way, while sending the email attendance is also displayed the time of the mail. Yes, time of the mail. As you can see, the exact time I have sent the mail here, and you can see the mail's time also is displayed here also, and the attendance is also sent successfully. Okay, so this is how you can say add your Gmail ID to your code and send it to someone whom you want to send. Now it's time to show you how to use these delete features and show you if it's working properly or not. By the way, the email sending feature is working absolutely fine, which you have seen just now. Okay, where is the code? This code is here. Okay, everything is fine. By the way, if you want to send your email, if you want to change your email ID, then you need to do it manually from backend only. That I can't do it from directly from here. That you have to do it manually by changing the code in the backend, by typing your email and everything that I have shown in you in the starting of the tutorial. So anyways, now it's time to show you how to use these red button features, which is delete. Okay, so before deleting, let me show you this is the attendance CSV file, which you can see. Okay, don't save. Okay, this is student details CSV file. After why I am showing you this thing, because after deleting this, all thing will be gone because it will be deleted successfully. Okay, now everything is almost done. Let's close the code. Let's close the interface. Let's run it again. Okay, it's running fine. Okay, you can see total registration till now it's said 1, but now I'm going to show you how to delete all the existing registration, existing attendance, and existing registered images. Okay, so for deleting the registration, click on delete registration CSV file deleted successfully. If you click it here again, CSV file not found, because obviously it is not found. Now click on attendance.csv, delete attendance.csv to delete the attendance CSV. So if you click it here again, it will show not found. Obviously it's already deleted. Now click on delete registered images deleted successfully. So now let's check in the backend if it's deleted successfully or not. Here on the attendance, you can see it's deleted successfully. Student details deleted successfully. Training image, everything, the registered image, everything is successfully deleted. Now let's close the interface and let's run the code again. Now see, the total registration till now is showing 0, which means we have successfully deleted each and every registered images. From this code, you don't need to delete it from backend by going to the folders and then delete all images.csv. Sorry, not images, or attendance.csv. Then what is the training image? All each and everything, you training image.csv or registered images from training image, attendance registered images.csv, each and every file you don't need to delete it manually by deleting it from the backend, that which was a bit difficult for new student. It's not student anyways. You can directly delete it from the UI itself, and once you have entered your email ID, you don't need to enter the email. Once you have entered your email ID in the code, you don't need to enter it again and again. You can just don't touch the your email ID's password and all. Just click here, type your recipient's email ID, and then send it to any of your recipient's email ID, and then select your recipient's email domain, click on send attendance, your attendance will be sent. So this is all about in the code, all about in this video. Here I have shown you how to demonstrated the new features of this new attendance face attendance monitoring system, which with new redefined UI, which you can see. Also I have shown you how to, also here you have seen how many useful features I have added here in this code. You can directly send attendance from to someone from your email ID by clicking here from here in the UI itself. You can directly delete images and delete attendance, delete registered images. Everything you can do directly from the UI. So yeah, that's it. This is all about in this video. Thanks for watching. I know this video is quite lengthy because already 25 minutes have gone, 25 minutes past I have shooting this video. But in this lengthy video I have shown you each and everything how it's working, and I have also said you each and every points of using and running the code properly on your system. Just like I said in the beginning, I am saying in the ending or before ending this video also, don't use multiple ideally pythons on your system because it creates a confusion between you and your system to run your code properly. You can't run it properly if you do multiple installations of multiple multiple ideally pythons of versions installed in your system. Basically I want to say don't install more than one ideally python on your system to run the code. And if you are running it from ideally python, then you have to install all the modules using command prompt. How to install, I have already made 2 videos. The third and fourth video of this channel, there I have shown you how to install all the modules. You can check all those videos. Better you can check the third video, because third video I have shown you how to run the code using ideally. You don't need to install any extra modules. That modules are more than enough to run this code. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and find this video helpful and informative, then please hit the like button. Like target is only 50. Please help us to complete our target. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and tap the bell icon beside it, and on the bell icon select all to watch our latest videos before anyone else. So once again, thanks for watching. See you soon in our next tutorial video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye. By the way, if you face any problem running the code, just like in my previous videos, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp, thereby joining our WhatsApp group. Link to join the WhatsApp group will be given in the description below, from where you can join our WhatsApp group, and from there you can contact me personally, solve your issues, just like many of you have contacted me. So once again I am saying thanks for watching. See you soon in our next video. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, and goodbye.